So hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I actually have tea inachemka guys. So I wanted to take you along with me on today's morning actually, because I want to cook some pancakes. And yes, so the tea is actually ready. So give me a minute. I finish up here. So we're going to be using this pan. Yes. Okay, actually I've not yet made the mixture. I've not made the mixture. So yes guys, I'm done with the tea. So I'm really confused. Yes guys, so I want to show you some trick that I do here. The ingredients is here. We have our 2 eggs right over here. We have sugar here, and we have some lemon zest, as you can see, and some water. I did not use milk because I do not have I want to make a lot of pancakes, so I don't have enough milk to use it. So I will add my lemon zest to this water like that. This handle keeps getting off. I don't know why. I will add my 2 eggs. Oopsie. And I will add my sugar. Yes. You can add cinnamon if you have. For me, I do not have at this particular moment. But if you have, you can add cinnamon. And a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. That. Like. Our next thing, after umekoroga, you add your flour bit by bit as you are mixing. We need a really thin mixture, not a thick one. We need a thin one so that we can cook the pancakes with that. Pancake inatakanga nini, at least a thin layer, you know, a thin mixture, I mean. If you also have a blender, you can use a blender. A blender does amazing on this particular part. For me, my blender broke, and the other blender that I should say I have, it has not yet arrived. So I am using this whisk to do all the work. It's really tiresome comparing to a blender, because a blender really does a nice job and instantly. I had bought something, let me show you guys. I had bought this manual whisk, but it needs to be on a bowl, not a jug like this, because it is not doing the work. Let me see. So it rotates like this inside. But it needs a bigger bowl, not this one, because when you put it like this, you need this handle to go in a circular motion. But ukifanya kwa jug, so it needs like a big bowl to do that work. That's why I do not use it, but it's so helpful if you have the bowl actually. So make sure your mixture is thin, not so thin but not thick. Iko tu hapo katikati. I see some other people using oil here in at this particular time, but I will not be doing that. I will be adding oil onto the pan as I cook. And I feel like this mixture is right. As you can see, the lemon zest, ziko quite amount of it, a good amount of it actually. I don't know if I should add the lemon water or not. Wacha tu nisieke. So I think the mixture is quite good that way. So we will cover up this and onto the pan. So let's hit this. It really hits so quickly. I don't know if it's normal that way or not. This is our tea right over here. I've just covered it for it not to get cold. I'm going to be using this one of it, only one part of it. For our oil, I'm going to be using the cowboy, this one. And yes, so tuanze kazi, let's start cooking, and I hope you will try this idea too. And
I feel like it is so overwhelming to use this pan because it really heats up very fast, and it can really make things backfire for you guys because it's so light, I guess. And yes, so I actually ended up using my other pan, my best pan, yani, you know, the one and only pan I always use, because this was really hard. I don't know, because it is new, it has not yet gotten that spark of cooking, you know. So I ended up changing the pan to another one because I knew this will be a mess. And yes, we also cooked the pancakes and they were really sweet. Also, I will be cleaning my fridge today. I've been really skipping to clean my fridge. I don't know why, but today I'm going to be doing it. Yes, and I hope that you will enjoy, guys. So if you're a new subscriber, hi, my name is Erix and welcome to this channel. I hope you are enjoying, and if you are, kindly hit the subscribe button and the like button. So guys, as you have seen the amount of dirt that I have been able to get out of this fridge, and yes, I really love fridge cleaning. I don't know why, because it's so satisfying seeing something different. You know, when something is dirty and then you clean it, there is a difference that makes someone enjoy, or make someone be happy. And that is what I wanted about this fridge. I wanted to be happy when I finish washing it, because it was literally dirty and I have not yet done grocery shopping. The soy sauce was all over. And yes guys, I really enjoyed doing this, and this is just to motivate you. Maybe if you feel unmotivated to wash your fridge, this is just some hack to motivate you guys. So on that spray bottle I have some white vinegar. I also added lemon juice and also added a dish soap. I don't know if it is right washing it with that way, because I really don't know. And I also used some warm water, just a little bit warm water, and in the mixture guys, and that is what I was using. So after washing with, or spraying with the vinegar and the whatever, the mixture, I come again with a towel and some warm water with only dish soap again, and then I rinse them. I rinse the fridge once again, also drying it. And yes, I don't know if this is the right way of washing the fridge or cleaning your fridge, but this is how I did it. So if there is some kind of mistake or idea that you have, please feel free to help or to suggest, because we are not perfect. And yes. So at this point guys, I am done washing the what are this called, containers, or the glasses, and I am wiping them down so that I can return them. I use a towel to do the first wipe of the water, and then I do with a tissue or a serviette to just enhance the clearness and the cleanliness, I mean. And yes, so this is how I clean my fridge actually. Okay, that is how I used to clean my mom's fridge, because this is the first time I am cleaning my fridge, and I really enjoy it, guys, because I have been doing this to my parents' house, and now I'm able to do it at my house, guys. So that is a win. And yes, we also acknowledge wins actually.